kids, I'm Julia.
And I'm Al.
And welcome to another segment of what we like to call All About Astronomy. On today's show, we will be discussing and viewing interesting facts about the ongoing Mercury Messenger mission, the ESA's Venus Express mission, and other unique information about the planets themselves. So stay tuned to get a glimpse into the sky above us.
Venus, being one of the most unique planets in our solar system, has been studied and depicted in order to find what makes it so unique. With a much dense atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, Venus generates a surface pressure 90 times greater than that on Earth.
Not only is Venus' atmosphere about 96.5% CO2, it also has virtually no water. Earth and Venus are classified as being almost twins, so once any water on Venus boiled into the atmosphere and had been broken apart by ultraviolet light from the sun, there was a clear distinction between the two planets.
Hydrogen has escaped Venus, making it so water can't form ever again. When Venus lost its water, it was no longer able to hold back atmospheric carbon dioxide, resulting in extreme greenhousing effect.
You may be thinking, greenhouse, plants, cool temperatures, etc. On the contrary, greenhouse effect involves carbon dioxide, water vapor, and a few other gases blocking some of the infrared radiation that would allow sunshine in. But the combination of the elements creates a type of blanket that keeps the ground warmer by not letting heat escape.
In the 1940s, Rupert Wilbert was the first to introduce greenhousing effect in an attempt to explain the unexpectedly high temperatures of Venus. Later, in the 1960s, American astronomer Carl Sagan revived and succeeded the greenhouse findings. Sagan discovered that for every CO2 molecule in Earth's atmosphere, there are over 60,000 molecules of CO2 in Venus, which is most likely why Venus is so much hotter than planet Earth.
The discovery of all the carbon dioxide led to the question, can there be too much of a good thing such as CO2? Venus says yes, and that is what we should be careful of what we do with it. Venus provides a sensible warning of what could come with the severe greenhouse effect. Hellish temperatures, a cloud cover that lets sunlight reach the Earth but helps trap the heat, enormous pressures at ground levels weighing heavily upon everything, and distortion of the landscape, just to name a few.
Whoa. To further discover more information about planet Venus, a mission to the planet has been constructed. Venus Express is a European Space Agency mission expected to last about 500 Earth days that will give researchers a better understanding of this hot planet. The launch to Venus will aid the exploration of studying the atmosphere and plasma environment of Venus from orbit. It will investigate the role played by the greenhousing effect in creation to the atmosphere. Other aims of the Venus Express are
the study of the behavior and characteristics of cloud and haze formation at different altitudes, the study of Venus's weak magnetic field, to search for the possibility of volcanic or seismic activity. Also, to investigate why Venus rotates backwards and so slowly, to study high radio wave reflectively areas on the surface, and lastly, to investigate the mysterious ultraviolet absorption features at an altitude of about 80 kilometers.
On to another mission, a miraculous mission.
Sounds like a mission to Mercury to me!
You got it! Messenger is a scientific investigation of planet Mercury, the least explored planet. Understanding Mercury, how it was formed, is essential to understanding other terrestrial planets and their evolution. The spacecraft will either enter Mercury orbit in March 2011 and carry out comprehensive measurements for one full Earth year. The Messenger spacecraft reveals more hidden territory on Mercury.
Hidden indeed. Well, that's all we have time for today, kids.
Hope you tune in next time.
And until then, may the stars fall in your favor.